Say subscribe.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm extremely excited because I just picked up the new Danessa Myricks Lightworks 7 palette. Just got this in the mail. So today we're going to take a first impressions look, do a few swatches, and see what it is. So if that's something that you want to see, please keep on watching. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and get right into this. I was really excited to get this in the mail today. I have the Lightworks 5 and 6, and I love them dearly. So, and I know I have I do have a review video for the Lightworks 6, and I've used it quite a bit in different shorts and makeup looks, and I really love the palette. And these are from, oh, gotta remove my hair ties here. These are from Danessa's Freedom series. So she designs these things to be flexible and to be used in packaged in different ways. So that's really kind of interesting. And here's the cover, the box. So with what I mean with Freedom, it's magnetic, stackable, customizable. You can use this with some of the other products of Danessa Myricks that you have, like her other Lightworks, the Lightworks 6, the little shades come out, and you can put them in here and interchange them. And then there's a little single palette that she has. And this is sealed shut, which is a good thing. But it's really annoying when you're trying to do a video. So let me try to get this open. So until I get this open, I guess we'll just have a little chit chat. I'm all decked out for Halloween here. I got my decorating done. It usually takes me about 2 days to decorate my house and outside. So I have all my exterior lights up and my inflatable people, and I usually try to add like one to the yard a year. And it looks really nice. I live on the end of a street, so a lot of people can see, you know, the houses they drive by and things, and they always, you know, I've had a lot of compliments on the lights. They like that it looks lit up, you know. And Halloween's like one of my favorite holidays of the year, and I love to decorate. Now I don't go spooky. I like the cuter decorations. But anyway, I have it open. And it's all packaged up really good. Like a brick of gold that it is. Alright. So there's more packaging here. And this comes with a little pouch, so that when you stack the palettes together and you're going to travel with it, you can just use this little pouch. And you get one per palette. And even the little pastel palette that she has come with one of these too. So here's the box, and I hope it's not taped. That's not. And we're going to open it up. Got some more packaging in here. And unboxing these, it's like you can tell it's something really special because it's just so, you know, wrapped up so nicely. Okay, and this is really pretty. It's more of like a rose gold, where the other ones are like a silver. It's really pretty. I'm not going to take the plastic off because I love to keep these as mint as I can, just because they're so expensive, and just to make it last, not get scraped up and things. I guess I'll have to take this off to show you the feature of the lid. But I'll keep the bottom plastic on. So I'll take these out. I'm getting a big pile of stuff here. Oops, gave you a little peek. So there's the lid without the plastic. And you can see this is a mirror. So this mirror comes off. I don't want to blind you. Oh, it's covered, so you won't get blinded by that. But yeah, it's more of a rose gold and a rosy tone to the lid. It's different than the Lightworks 6. And we'll finally open it up and give a big reveal here. Ooh, it's really... I'm stuck. Maybe I should have took the day off. Okay. And there we go after all my BS. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely beautiful. So this is the first I've seen it. Now I've seen some reports and read a few reviews online already that people were they're arriving broken. I don't see any breakage in here. Mine's like perfect, which I'm really happy. But it is a concern if these shades are broke, because with the way that this is arranged, it's designed so that you can take it with you. And so these all come out, these individual pans. So if I just wanted to take this one with me, say I was traveling or something like that, I just take the lid off, which is the little mirror, and I could take it with me. So if these are broke, a lot of people are receiving them broke, that might mean that they don't travel well. But mine's fine. So I know that the shippers today, the post office, the UPS, FedEx, are very hard on things. I have received quite a few palettes broken from Sephora that I've had to replace, but never have I got one of Danessa Myricks'. And then like Natasha Denona's, they come in a big old box with a lot of packaging, just like this did. So, but if things are breakable, or if the eyeshadows would be, just soft, really soft, and then yeah, that is an issue to travel with it, because the last thing you want to do is to be traveling and then get to a hotel, 1,000 miles away from home, and then have a broken palette, because then, what do you do, But hopefully have a plan B. But it's just gorgeous. So anyway, I digress on that. Mine's in perfect condition. It's just perfect. There's no shadows are loose or falling out or anything. They're all pressed firmly in there. I would have no hesitation at taking it anywhere with me. And then as they stack together, hopefully that protects them. So if I wanted to take the whole thing with me, I'd just stack it all up. 1, 2, 3. I saw somebody have all of them together, like the Lightworks 6, the Lightworks 7, plus the little pastel palette. That's kind of cool. Or if you're a makeup artist and you want to keep this in your kit, it might be easier just to stack them this way. And then this will fit in this little bag. Which is a nice quality bag. There you go. It even has a little Danessa Myricks logo on it. Really beautiful. Really convenient. Very creative in the design and how this is put out. Yeah, I wouldn't think twice to take that with me. If I was traveling, I wouldn't, worry about them breaking, is from what they look like right now. And I think this one was over on this side. So we're going to do some swatches here of this beautiful palette. So I'm going to take a second, get the camera flipped around so you can see what I'm doing, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back, and here we go. Here's another view of that beautiful palette for you. It's a little bit up closer, close as I can get it. I think the shades are just super stunning. I really like this side with the really, the blue and the black and the gray. And then this neutral side over here is just gorgeous. I'm not much of a green fan, but I don't see as much green, but there's, you got to watch a duochromes in this side as I thought that there would be. So it's just stunning. So anyway, without any further BS for me, we will get started on some swatches. Here I have my Sephora wipes. I love these for swatches. These are the soothing cleansing wipes, and I have the scent coconut because I love scented coconut things. I'm not a fan to eat coconut though, but I really like the scent. So all right, so I think what we'll do is we'll start on the top one. So I'm going to take this shade up here. This is a really pretty silver. Ooh, I barely had to touch that. Holy moly. And then we'll do this gorgeous blue. Wow. And I'm just lightly touching these. And looks like there's a really pretty purple shift in this one. Purple and gold, maybe a little bit of green. Oh my goodness. That is like, reminds you of Christmas lights. Really, really pretty. Okay, let's wipe these off here. They come off, and one thing I know I can tell you about these shades too is you don't have any fallout. So you can wear these all day and you're not going to have glitter all over your face. And then when you take them off, like I know some glitter shadows I've worn, when you take them off, you have glitter left over. That doesn't happen. These come off cleanly. Really clean, really nice. So now I'm going to do this black because the black is really hard to make it well. And that is just one of the best blacks I've ever swatched. Really smooth, really nice, really beautiful. We're going to do this gray. Nice. It's a little lighter than I thought it would be. It's like more of a smoky, like a smoke color of gray. And then we're going to do this last one here. Let's see how different it is from this one. Oh boy, very different. And they might not look, they look kind of similar in the pan, but just look at the difference on my arm. Really gorgeous. All right, so I'll wipe them off and we'll go to the next pan. Okay. Let's get my arm to dry here. But you can see removing them. I don't have much glitter or anything left over, so. All right. I find these come off easily with makeup remover. So we're going to start over here on this. This looks like a greenish pink gold in there from where I'm sitting. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that purple. Like a magenta. Woo! Gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I don't have a color like that. So warm and like fiery. This is all exciting to me. And that's the one under it, a little bit more orange, and there is a green shift right there. I don't know if my camera is doing this any justice, but they are just absolutely phenomenal. And I love the orange in this one. That's pretty much Halloween-ish like, because I love Halloween. Let's do this one. Whoa. Woo! That is something. That's a really unique shade there. It's like a pinkish gold. You can see a gold shift in there. Really beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I know I'm all excited. I always get excited with the Danessa Myricks. It's one of my favorite brands. I really use a lot of her stuff, so I always get excited. I love like her almost everything. And if you've followed me around here on this channel, you'll know that I'm a huge, huge fan. And this is a beautiful brown, neutral brown. And that's such a necessary shade to have, and just beautiful. Look at that matte. Really nice. That one you're going to get a lot of smoke out of, I bet. It'll blend out really nice. And we're going to touch this one. Whoa, look at that. Ooh, gorgeous. That is just such an unusual shade. Really beautiful. I can't wait to see these on the eyes. All right, we got one more right here. And I can see some gold sparkle in it from here. Maybe a little bit of pink. We'll see what it looks like. That's it on my finger. Oh, yeah. Absolutely stunning. It's right here. It's more of a champagne with like a pink throughout. Really, really stunning. So yeah, that's the second palette in the middle. All right. I'm thrilled with this so far. And I'm glad to see she added some mattes in here. Now, yes, Danessa does make mattes. So she has a couple of palettes that are nothing but matte. So I've seen people say, well, thanks for, you know, making mattes. Well, she has mattes. And so if you happen to have the matte palettes that she sells, and the name of them is escaping me, the Groundworks palettes. So there's a Groundwork palette that's more brown, earthy tones. And then there's one in pinks and all kinds of really pretty shades. So she does make mattes. Of course, she has her color fix, that she has many different types of color fix, like matte and shimmer and, you know, all kinds of color fix, creamy eyeshadows. So she's no stranger to mattes. So these palettes coordinate very well with the Groundworks palettes. I've used them together quite a bit. Okay, so enough BS, and we're on to this last row here. And this shade is so neat. It almost looks like there's some purple in there, but I could be wrong. But I'm excited to swatch that. Whoa, look at that. Oh, yes, there's purple. And I love purple. That purple is just stunning. To me, I would instantly throw this in the crease and throw that on and call it a day. Very, very beautiful. And this looks like confetti. Like in the pan, it looks like confetti. Like New Year's Eve confetti. Whoa, look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. And you can actually see all the little different colors in there. Ooh. All right. Very, very beautiful. Let's go on to this gold. This is really pretty, like a classic, beautiful gold. There you go. Just gold. No fanciness, but very necessary for a palette with these beautiful browns. So, crease, outer corner, boom. Add some sparkle and be done. All right, then we'll do this light shade. This is exciting, very exciting shade for a palette. There it is, it's matte. Oh, silky. Silky, silky. Beautiful. Okay, and already we're at the last one. I see some green, I see some gold. Beautiful. Look at that. That is the last palette. Just absolutely gorgeous. And this is so unusual. I love this. It does, you know what you could also coordinate these with from Danessa Myricks are her color fix sticks. So this would be beautiful with the number 8, in which that I'm also wearing that today. But yeah, absolutely stunning. All right, let me get this cleaned up and we'll finish up this video. Okay guys, so that was the swatches and that was the end. This is the end of my video. This is just a short one. There you go. So it's absolutely stunning. I'm really happy to have it. It'll probably sit up with our other sisters in my room up there, and I can't wait to use it. Hopefully I'll be able to film a few looks with it. So other than that, will you be picking this palette up for yourself? I wouldn't really delay on it because the Lightworks 6 sold out and has not come back. So I don't know how much longer that this palette will be around. They are very popular. They are very, very beautiful. Very unique as to, you know, some other things, and very high quality. So I just can't say enough good, you know, and how impressed I am with all of Danessa Myricks products. Let me know down below if you'll be picking up this palette. And thanks again for taking the time to watch my video, and we will see you in the next one.